And the other thing that I loved about open book management is that it gave us a framework to evaluate those wacky employee ideas that we had talked about before. And, I might roll my eyes if an employee came to me with like an idea for an event, for example, that I thought was a terrible idea. But open book management made me realize that I wasn't educating them. And so, of course, their ideas weren't cutting it for me. And so open book management lets you have that conversation in a way that's not personal, that is more objective, and that, again, aligns you around the goal, which is to create benefit to the company and for the employees to share in that.
Could you tell us how the needle moved during that time?
Open book management, strictly speaking, did not make us more profitable, but it made us able to afford more of our values. We were able to make raises across the board. We added health insurance and 401k.